Let's now move on, and there's some more breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this is related to Congress MP and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, whose helicopter faced an unexpected delay today. It remained grounded in Jharkhand's Godda. It was awaiting clearance from the Air Traffic Control, or the ATC, and now we are learning that finally it has taken off. ATC has given clearance for Rahul Gandhi's helicopter to take off after a delay of around an hour, and those are the visuals that we are getting for you at this point in time from Godda in Jharkhand, where Rahul Gandhi can be seen sitting in this helicopter, was waiting for it to take off, and this delay, which was there for about 1 hour, was because the air traffic control had not given the clearance for Rahul Gandhi's chopper to take off. And now we are learning that after a delay of about 1 hour, Rahul Gandhi's chopper finally has taken off, and clearance has come from the Air Traffic Control, or the ATC. Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Tejshri, can you tell us what was the reason behind this delay of about 1 hour?
Well, let me tell you that Rahul Gandhi was addressing a rally in in Jharkhand's Godda, and there, in fact, there was a delay of more than 1 hour 30 minutes, and the chopper was stopped over there. The chopper was not getting clearance, and what our sources are telling is that the chopper of Rahul Gandhi was not getting clearance to fly because of the rally of Prime Minister Modi in Jamui. So that is why the reason was that Rahul Gandhi's chopper was not getting clearance. However, now Congress is alleging that it has been done intentionally by the BJP, and it is BJP's politics that they are not allowing Rahul Gandhi to fly and to campaign further. And in fact, Rahul Gandhi was there to campaign for Deepika Singh, who is the sitting MLA from Congress party in the state of Jharkhand, and also one of the cabinet minister in Soren's government. So he was there to campaign for her, and she in fact have leveled up serious allegations against the BJP. Yet we are also awaiting for the response from the BJP. But yes, what our sources are telling, that the clearance was not given, and there was a delay because of PM's rally in Bihar's Jamui.
Right, so we are now seeing politics on this particular issue as well, Tejshri. And any word that you've got from sources within the air traffic control, really, what was the reason? Because making him wait for about 1 hour, I'm sure there must be a solid reason behind that too.
Well, you see, now certainly this issue will also become a controversial point, because after infiltrators, now this is the second issue that in fact that is becoming a controversy, because remember that Jharkhand is going to witness the second phase of elections, is going to undergo polls on the 20th of November. So after first phase of polls, the election focus shifted to infiltrators, the comment made by Ghulam Ahmad Mir, and then now it seems like it will be shifting towards Rahul Gandhi's chopper not getting clearance. And in fact, Deepika Singh, the Congress MLA from Jharkhand, she is also in fact stating that Rahul Gandhi's chopper should have been allowed, and in fact he is not just the Congress leader but also the leader of opposition. And keeping all these things in mind, BJP is playing dirty politics, and remember that now BJP is strongly attacking Congress party on the infiltrators issue. BJP is breaking up this issue, but we'll have to see that how BJP responds to all these allegations that have been leveled up by the Congress party. However, we'll have to wait for an official response as to how BJP responds, and also we are awaiting for an official response from the officials of the Jharkhand as to why the clearance to the chopper was not given, and why the chopper had to wait for more than 90 minutes, for more than 1 hour and 30 minutes.
It's interesting, Tejshri, because, you know, on the issue of following standard operating procedure or rules, we have already seen a controversy in Maharashtra. Remember how Uddhav Thackeray earlier, when EC officials were merely doing their job by checking the bags, helicopters of various netas, also, you know, called it a conspiracy. And here another incident that we are seeing about Jharkhand, where again Congress party in a way is sensing conspiracy here as well. Thank you, Tejshri, for the moment, for joining us with those details.